Welcome to our chat show. Accompanied by Mr. Rahul Sachdeva, we have Arpit Srivastava. Which there's a one question that everybody asks, and when then anybody hears the term called AI, the first thing comes that is this a danger for the traditional marketers, or are they being more empowered with AI attribution in marketing? What will you take?
Well, I think AI is definitely can be your leverage if you take it positively, because now what it used to take maybe hours, it is now a matter of minutes. So I don't think it is going to be your competition. It is just matter how you're leveraging it. Are you really applying some of the repetitive tasks and really looking for some alternative using AI? Don't consider it as a competition. Rather, look out for new projects and new tasks where AI can really help you.